Hey guys, welcome back to my bit. This is me. I'm just gonna get my Xbox ready. Go to my. This is me. My profile picture. you see that already, I know. So I've got Roblox working now. So that's good. What can I do now? I'm gonna play some rifles. Right, rifles now. So this works now. I'm gonna play with someone to kill them all. Gonna kill all the players. I'll play with someone and kill them, guys. See if we can kill them quickly, impossible. Now we're gonna play rifles. See someone's. Now I'm saying easy. So if someone wants to play with me now, I'll wait for people. Now he wants to join. There you go. I'm going to playground. It's going to be playground. Told ya. Yes. Grenade. Now I get whatever. Oh, there we go. You can get. Hey, it's using that, guys. It's using that. Oh, he's trying to shoot me. Yeah, he's just cheating, that one. But you are a noob. What? Cheating. I'm a stupid RPG. I'll shoot you with this gun, right? How stupid. You have this stupid gun. You have the world. Yeah, that's stupid. That's a stupid gun in the world. You can't beat me with a stupid RPG because it's just annoying. Now, you just get dead, mate. Yeah, you're cheating because you have a RPG. Yeah, so shut up with your RPG stuff. The RPG's annoying. And I know where you are, mate. You're right here, mate. I know you're there. Yeah, he's cheating, bro. You can't just do that. No, he's cheating. I'm just gonna... This guy's cheating, guys. With a stupid sniper. No, not a sniper. A stupid, whatever it is. I know what it is. Stupid RPG. And I got him! So he loses. With a stupid RPG. Not a sniper, I mean. Why is he cheating with a stupid sniper? Die! How did he fly? What the hell is that? He flied. He just flied. Where he just flied. No, he just flied. Can you turn it down? Can you turn that down? Turn it down. What was that? How did he fly, guys? No, he flied. But he's a hacker. He just flied that high. How did he do that? No, he's doing it again. See? That's just stupid. Hacker. Stupid hacker. Cheat. You just flied. You flied. You flied. Yeah, you're flying. You're flying, mate. You can't do that. Just fly. You just fly. You just fly again. You don't understand. You're flying. You see a hacker, guys? Right now. This guy's a hacker. Delete him off my phone. He fly. He fly. I hate him. I'm not going with him now. He's a hacker. He's a hacker, guys. This guy might win, so... Yeah. He's cheating. He's got a opportunity. He's not cheating. He's got a sniper. I know he's okay. He's okay. But that hacker, which is pretty black with a red thing on him. That's okay, mate.
I only had Molly. I was doing a TV show called All in the Day. I was a very ITV girl. I was some sending things, and I was in the house, and I was then going on to the stage.
Okay. I'm going to stop playing rifles, guys, because that hacker was in the game. Whoever that was.